Hi children, this is Sister Lavanya. I am back with another video about respiratory system, chapter 2, human body. Before getting to the class, we should know what are the organs involved in respiratory system. We know that all living things breathe. The organs that helps in breathing are nose, trachea, lungs. Nose is an external organ and sense organ too. Lungs, in previous video I have explained in detail. So what is trachea? The trachea is a passage which connects nose and lungs. Okay, look at the picture. The trachea splits at the bottom into two bronchi. Bronchi means it is a branch-like structure is called bronchi, and one enters into each lung. These nose, trachea, lungs together form a respiratory system. They are the main organs of respiratory system. These organs helps us to breathe. The main function of this system is to take in oxygen rich air and give out carbon dioxide rich air. Let us discuss these three organs in detail. Nose. It is an external organ. The air enters our body through the nose. The two openings in our nose are called nostrils. See, in your nose there are two openings. They are called nostrils. In nostrils there are small hairs present inside that trap the germs and dust particles present in the air, and it protects the nasal passage. What is the nasal passage? That is trachea. We'll see that trachea. It is the passage through which air passes from nose to the lungs. And before we have seen the image, trachea, that splits at the bottom into two branch is called bronchi that enters into each lung. The third organ is a pair of spongy organs located in the chest is lungs. It is protected by rib cage. In this, you should know that a pair of lungs is not same in size. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung. What is the main function of the lung? The main function of the lungs is to exchange gases. What are the gases? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. In this lungs, oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released through windpipe and nose. Now we'll see the breathing. In breathing, you must know what is inhalation and exhalation. I'll explain you. The process in which oxygen-rich air enters our body is called inhalation. It means breathing in. Look at the picture. Breathing in. The air enters through the nose and passes through the passage that is called trachea and enters into the lungs. And the process in which carbon dioxide rich air is released is called exhalation. The next picture, breathing out picture, you look at just to follow the arrow mark. The air come out from the lungs and it passes through the trachea and comes out from the nose and mouth. This is called exhalation. Thus, breathing is the process both inhalation and exhalation together. When we inhale, oxygen enters into the lungs and our lungs expand and ribs move out and chest expand. Okay? The just opposite happens when you exhale. When we exhale, carbon dioxide is pushed out from lungs through windpipe and nose. The lungs relaxes, move back, the ribs and the chest relaxes. Now, here is an interesting video about work model of respiratory system. Just see what happens. The materials require 3 balloons, 2 straws, you cut like that, and water bottle, you cut the bottom of the bottle and fix the balloon at the bottom of at the end of the straw. And now you just insert 2 straws into the hole. Now seal the top lid tightly. Now cover the bottom of the bottle using the third balloon like a rubber sheet. Now the model is ready. Now pull the rubber sheet downwards. What happens? The air enters through the straws when it pulls down, and when you pull up, the air comes out from the balloons. The air goes out from the balloons. This is how the lungs work out. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. You can also try this model if the materials are available in this during lockdown. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.